Here's everything you need to know about concrete patio versus pavers. An honest comparison. Here's what you need to know. Cost, durability, maintenance, and resale. The real comparison between a poured concrete patio and a paver patio in North Carolina. Quick answer. A concrete patio costs 40 to 70% less than the same patio in pavers, requires significantly less maintenance, and lasts about the same time when installed correctly. Pavers carry a slight resale edge in high-end NC neighborhoods, but offer no real durability advantage. For most homeowners, stamped concrete delivers the look of pavers for 25 to 40% less than real pavers, with one-third the maintenance over 20 years. Moving on to cost, where the real gap shows up. The single largest difference between a concrete patio and a paver patio is the labor cost. Concrete is poured, screeded, and finished in a single day. Pavers are hand-set unit by unit, which means a 320 square foot patio takes 2 to 3 crew days versus 1 day for the equivalent concrete pour. Here are the 2026 ranges we see across our NC service area for a 320 square foot backyard patio. Broom finish concrete, 2,560 to 4,480, 8 to 14 per square foot. Stamped concrete, 4,480 to 7,040, 14 to 22 per square foot. Standard concrete pavers, 5,760 to 7,680, 18 to 24 per square foot. Next up, installation, timeline, and disruption. For a typical 320 square foot patio in Charlotte, here is what each install looks like on the ground. Let's talk about concrete patio install. Day 1. Excavation, subgrade prep, gravel base, forming. Day 2. Pour, screed, finish, control joints. Day 3 or 4. Form removal and cleanup. Total elapsed time, 3 to 4 days. Active disruption, 2 days. Cure time before normal use, 24 to 48 hours for foot traffic, 7 days for furniture, 28 days for full strength. Here's the deal with paver patio install. Day 1. Excavation, subgrade prep. Day 2. Gravel base, screed of bedding sand. Day 3. Paver setting. Day 4. Edge restraint, polymeric sand, compaction. Total elapsed time, 4 to 5 days. Active disruption, 4 days. Usable immediately after install, no cure wait. Concrete has a longer wait between install and use. Pavers are usable right away. For families with kids, pets, or scheduled summer entertaining, the no-wait factor is sometimes the deciding vote even when the cost is higher. Now, let's look at durability, how each one actually fails. Both materials, properly installed, will outlast most homes' first ownership cycle. But they fail in different ways, and the way they fail affects which one is right for your yard. Moving on to how concrete patios fail. Subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.